Hello student, now we will learn about Unstoppable Netaji on your SR 10 page number 85. The Unstoppable Netaji. Do you know what is the meaning of unstoppable? Meaning of unstoppable is unable to stop. And do you know who is Netaji? No? Okay. Subhash Chandra Bose was also known as Netaji. Subhash Chandra Bose was also known as Netaji was an important leader for was also known as Netaji was an important leader of Indian freedom struggle. Subhash Chandra Bose was also known as Netaji. I mean to say that second name of Subhash Chandra Bose was Netaji. He was important leader of Indian freedom struggle. What is the meaning of freedom? To get independence. And what is the meaning of struggle is violent efforts to get free of. He was the leader of Indian National Army. He was leader of Indian National Army that fought to free India from British. What is the purpose of Indian National Army? To fought to free from the British. The country pays tribute to Netaji for his contribution by celebrating 23rd January as Netaji Jayanti. The people of India was celebrating Netaji Jayanti at 23rd January to show respect toward him. Now, Indian freedom struggle witnessed the births of many great leaders. Indian freedom struggle was witnessed of birth of many greater leaders. Subhash Chandra Bose was one of them. Subhash Chandra Bose was also a Indian freedom struggle leader. He was born in Kotak, Odisha. He completed his BA from the University of Kolkata with a desire to serve his people. He appeared for the Indian Civil Service examination with a strong feeling of wanting freedom. He was passed his Indian Civil Service examination. After clearing this examination, he was appointed to work with the British government. After clearing his examination mean a formal test of a person's knowledge. He was appointed means decided to work with British government. During the time Netaji was working for the British government, Indians were treated very poorly by the British. When Netaji was working with the British government, that Indians were treated very badly by the British government because the British government ruled over the India. Netaji wanted to do something for his country. Netaji wanted to do something for his country to get freedom. Soon he quit his job to take part in the freedom struggle. Then he will leave his job to take part in the freedom struggle. He joined the non-cooperation movement started by Gandhiji. Netaji joined the refusal to cooperate, that is a change or development that is started by Gandhiji. Through this movement, he spotted Gandhiji in boycotting things made by the British. During this movement, Gandhiji boycott. Meaning of boycott is to stop buying or using goods. Meaning of boycott is to stop buying or using goods, things made by the British. The material which was made by British government, Gandhiji was stopped to buying or using these things.